Listen, learn, and improve your English effortlessly. Hello, my dear English learners. Welcome back to Day 5 episode of English Listening and Speaking Practice. This is your shadowing practice session, where we learn step by step, slowly and clearly. This is English Power Podcast. My name is Alex, and I absolutely love teaching English. So, how was your day? Did anything special happen today? What did you learn in the last lesson? Comment and let me know. I love hearing from you. English is so easy. Yes, you heard that right. And soon, you'll be saying it too. Now listen. If you feel like you are not making progress in your English speaking, don't worry. Progress is happening even if you don't see it yet. One day, you will notice it in your confidence, in your personality, and people around you will notice it too. Learning a new language takes time. It's not a race. Everyone learns at their own pace. You know, I really understand how you feel. Sometimes the words don't come out. You forget what you wanted to say, or you feel like people might judge you, and that's okay. Please don't be so hard on yourself. And here's the truth. Just listening practice is not enough. You might understand English when you hear it, but the real challenge is speaking. Isn't that your real goal? That's why you need to practice speaking daily, not once a week, not sometimes, but every single day, even if it's just 5 minutes. Think of it like training your muscles. And let me tell you, English is not difficult. It can actually be fun to speak. And when you exercise your English speaking muscles daily, you'll feel the magic yourself. The method we're using here is called shadowing. Shadowing is powerful because it helps you build fluency step by listening and repeating like you're in a real conversation. Now, before we begin, let me ask you something important. Why are you learning English? Why do you want to speak fluently? This question matters because sometimes life gets busy and we forget why we started. Maybe it's for a better job. Maybe it's to live abroad. Maybe it's to travel, to study, or even to write books in English. You can comment and share it with us. When you remind yourself of your reason, something amazing happens. It gives you the fuel to keep going and to actually enjoy the process. So, try to speak out loud. Speak with energy. Don't overthink. Just speak. And if you get stuck, that's totally fine. You can always come back to these practice videos and train again. Think of it like a gym. In the gym, you train your body. Here, you train your mouth and your English muscles. Sometimes it feels difficult. Sometimes the words don't come out. But each time you practice, you get stronger. So, relax. Take a deep breath. You are doing great. And I'm here with you every step of the way. Now grab a cup of tea or coffee. Get comfy. Today we are practicing 15 powerful mind-training sentences that will actually help reprogram your mind to start speaking English fluently. Think of this like a workout, not for your body, but for your English-speaking brain. When you speak these sentences out loud, you're training yourself to think differently about English. You're removing fear, building confidence, and getting ready to use English naturally in daily life. So, are you ready for the magic? Awesome! Listen carefully, repeat with me, and don't worry about being perfect. Just focus on speaking with energy and confidence. We will practice each sentence 3 times. You can always pause and repeat if you need more time. Let's start today's English speaking practice. I enjoy listening to English every single day. I enjoy listening to English every single day. I enjoy listening to English every single day. Amazing! Speak out loud with me. Don't be shy. Speaking English feels more natural each time I practice. Speaking English feels more natural each time I practice. Speaking English feels more natural each time I practice. Awesome! Is this speed okay? Comment and let me know. English is not difficult. It's just another language I can learn. English is not difficult. It's just another language I can learn. English is not difficult. It's just another language I can learn. Brilliant! My English speaking gets better with daily practice. My English speaking gets better with daily practice. My English speaking gets better with daily practice. Awesome! You can pause and repeat if you need more time. I am confident when I listen and speak in English. I am confident when I listen and speak in English. I am confident when I listen and speak in English. Every mistake in English helps me grow stronger. Every mistake in English helps me grow stronger. Every mistake in English helps me grow stronger. Beautiful pronunciation. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to communicate in English. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to communicate in English. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to communicate in English. Speaking English clearly is more important than speaking fast. Speaking English clearly is more important than speaking fast. Speaking English clearly is more important than speaking fast. Amazing! I trust myself. I can speak English fluently. I trust myself. I can speak English fluently. I trust myself. I can speak English fluently. Listening to English daily makes my speaking more confident. Listening to English daily makes my speaking more confident. Listening to English daily makes my speaking more confident. Nice! I love practicing English because it brings me closer to my goals. I love practicing English because it brings me closer to my goals. I love practicing English because it brings me closer to my goals. When I speak English, I connect with the world. When I speak English, I connect with the world. When I speak English, I connect with the world. Brilliant! My English speaking improves each time I practice. My English speaking improves each time I practice. I English speaking improves each time I practice. I am not afraid. English is my friend. I am not afraid. English is my friend. I am not afraid. English is my friend. Great! Let's try the last sentence for today. Every day, my listening and speaking skills in English get stronger. Every day, my listening and speaking skills in English get stronger. Every day, my listening and speaking skills in English get stronger. Wow! Well done, my wonderful English learners. This was a powerful mind training session on your English speaking practice. So, tell me, how do you feel now? A little more confident? A little more ready? Remember, making mistakes is part of learning, so don't be so hard on yourself. Every stumble, every pause, every is actually a step forward. And I am here for you. If you ever need help, just drop a comment and let me know. I would love to help you. This mind reprogramming is a powerful technique. The more you repeat these English sentences, the quicker you will see progress. Trust me, it's not about memorizing boring grammar rules. Shadowing is magical on its own. It trains your listening and speaking skills together and makes English flow more naturally. So well done for completing day 5 of your English listening and speaking practice. That's a big achievement. And don't forget, you can come back to this video anytime. It's always here for you, like a friend who's ready to practice with you. I'm so proud of you for showing up today. Keep shining, keep practicing, and I'll see you in day 6 of our English speaking course. Until then, keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself.